Welcome back, folks. Thanks for visiting our channel. My name's Matt Sr. I'm the CEO and founder of 412 Public Safety Equipment Customs here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So today's video is a quick video just to showcase one of our best-selling products. So anybody that knows us knows that we are a magnetic mic dealer. So the magnetic mic is an innovative product that was created by an active duty law enforcement officer. This officer decided that his normal run-of-the-mill hang-up clip on his microphone just wasn't cutting it. So he came up with this after a few failed designs. This one pretty much hit the mark. So the magnetic mic clip, just to give you a little rundown, it is exactly what it says. It is a magnet operated clip holder for your microphone. These magnetic clips come with all the mounting hardware and everything you need to install these 1, 2, 3. Very quick. They install in minutes. The magnetic base that is used installs very simply with 2 Phillips head screws. You can put these magnetic bases in areas where a normal run-of-the-mill hang-up clip would not necessarily work. And basically the whole gist of it is you just got to get the mic close and it hangs up. Now, some of you might say, well, my radio has a scan feature that engages when I hang up the mic, or I have a private line that it switches to when I hang up the mic. Not a problem. There is a ground kit and installation instructions inside each one of these kits that'll help you take care of that. So I want to kind of show you guys how this replaces your conventional hang-up clip. It's very simple. If I can get this off of here. Okay, so here we have the mic conversion. It basically slides onto your mic. There's an Allen key set screw that tightens it and keeps it on. I suggest putting some thread lock on that just in case, you know, it wants to rattle loose, because obviously in an automotive application you're always going to have vibration. And down here we have the magnetic base. These magnets on here are, I can't even explain to you how strong those are. Like I said, you just got to get it close. And these are fairly inexpensive. We have full case kits for departments, specifically packaged up for department purchases. If you want to convert all your cruisers or all your utility trucks, your vehicles, fire departments. So we have a fleet kit, which I will demonstrate to you here in a minute, and we'll get one out and show you exactly what comes with every purchase. Just give me 1 second and we'll get that box open for you. Okay, folks, so here is the fleet kit that we have. This fleet kit is directly from Magnetic Mic. One thing I didn't mention, this product is made in the USA, but of course, if you guys know anything about us, you should already know that, since we only provide equipment that's 100% made in America. Okay, so here is the fleet kit. So as you can tell, this fleet kit is a kit of 25 magnetic mic conversions. So if you guys have a department that is in need of converting the whole fleet, we got you covered. That somewhat explains how this kit works. There's what is included in each one of the kits. So let's pop one of these bad boys open and we'll just show you what you have here. So here is your kit. Here is the base. Already, as you can see, has the, man, that's so difficult to get off of there. There is your mic conversion piece. And if we pop the bottom open, get this nifty little package open for you. Here is the bag with all your hardware. Comes with extra set screw, comes with a couple different pieces of mounting hardware. Comes with some nuts, and the instructions will instruct you on how to ground this for use with radios that have the scan feature or the private line feature when you hang up the mic. Very innovative product. If you guys are interested, give us a call, 412-708-6732. If you guys need, we do have special pricing on the fleet boxes, the fleet cases, department cases. So give us a call. You can always check out our website, www.eliteledwarnings.com, and you can always hit us up on our Gmail account, which is obviously, we are open 24/7, 365, even weekends and holidays. That's 412 PSE Customs. Make sure you spell it as it is in our company name at gmail.com, and we will get back to you within a few hours. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please, we ask that you make sure you smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, we request that you do. Make sure you hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Until next time, be safe out there.